Hello, I'm Timothy and I'm going to show you another one of LessonUp's great AI tools. This time it is the turn of rewrite text. So the first way to access it, or one of the ways to access it, is AI tools up here and then find rewrite text down here. So we can click on this. I'm going to go with the good old three-toed sloth here, Wikipedia article. So that's freely available. Let's just put that in there. Now we can describe how we want to rewrite the text itself. So we can have it informal or persuasive or anything even like that, like Shakespeare if we want to. I am tempted to say that, but first of all, I'm going to go for informal. Let's say, actually, I was going to write something else. I'm just going to go with informal and then education level. Let's bring it down to Key Stage 3, shall we? And we can change language. We have all these different language options, including other. So if one isn't on the list here, you can write that in and put it in. Rewrite the text with all AI output. Always double check. You are the expert. You're the one in control of the lesson. You're the teacher, so always check it. I'm not an expert on sloths, unfortunately, so I'm not 100% sure, but it's definitely simplified the text, hasn't it? I can copy it, I can use it in the lesson, I can say whether I like it or don't like the output, but I can just click on this and put it into the lesson itself. I'm not going to do that straight away for this demo because I'm going to jump into the lesson itself. So if we take it out here, actually I need to reset that for you. So if we go into this old PowerPoint that I've converted into LessonUp, I can then go onto this. We can do a different page. We can do this page. You do any page we like. I'll stick with this one. We can click on the little robot friend over here, and this brings our shortcuts to the AI tools we can use within LessonUp's new editor itself. So this time we can go to rewrite text. We have the text because I've already clicked on this box. It's already put it all in. I haven't got to type anything in. I don't even have to paste anything in there. I could paste something in directly if I wanted to do it like that. See, then we can actually then say in this way, how do you want to rewrite it? We could actually just say, let's say something like, we had informal before. What about, let's go for something a bit more fun. Let's go for hip hop style, and then we will have it as, let's say GCC higher for this time, just for fun to see what it comes up with. And we can review it here as well. So it's rewritten it really well. So we can click on that and we can put it into the text. Obviously I'd need to sort out the pages, or maybe I would add it as a separate slide, and I can use that there within my lesson straight away. So rewrite text, really useful. It can actually be very powerful if you use it kind of wisely and think about your particular learners that you've got in front of you, what kind of language will actually get through to them. So really flexible, very useful, very versatile. So I hope you found that useful, and I will see you on the next one.